trying to show. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my home.
What's going on, goodies? How you guys feeling today? I hope you're feeling great. So as you guys can see from that title, today I will be showing you guys how to turn this jet black hair super blonde to hot pink. And this hair I got from Love Me Hair. It was originally 1B, 18 inches. I also have a video on that. You can check that out in the description down below. But first I'll be brushing this hair out, sectioning it. I'm going to be using Quick Blue that I got from my local Resupply store and 30 volume developer. I recommend 30 volume always, okay? I'm going to use a bowl and some clips and aluminum foil. And here I'm just doing 4 to 5 scoops of the bleach, and then I basically just the developer. I don't really measure and do all that stuff. I just hope that it's just the right consistency. But the consistency I'm pretty much going for is this. Yeah, real pasty, real smooth, not too runny but not too thick, because I feel like it coats the hair really, really well. So first I'm going to take a little sheet of aluminum foil, brush that out, and I'm just going to slap that bleach on and get it all thoroughly through the hair. So as you guys can see, I always recommend not forgetting to do the other side of the piece of hair that you do, because you want to make sure that the bleach is getting evenly on both sides and you're just saturating the whole entire piece. And following that, I like to take a rat tail comb and comb all through that hair, because I want to make sure that bleach is getting all thoroughly through. Guys, make sure you get in the roots, the ends, the sides, the corners. Don't leave no hair out, because you do not want any patches. So yeah, guys, I'm just continuing this process throughout the whole head. Pretty much self-explanatory. Just repeating the process over and over and over again the same way. Combing out, applying on both sides, combing through with the rat tail comb, and then wrapping it in foil. And that's pretty much it. So enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, guys, I hope y'all did not fall asleep on me over there. But so now that I finished bleaching it and doing all that good stuff, I just took off a couple of the foils to check in between to see, like, to make sure I get all the little dark spots that I didn't get. Because you definitely, like, this is a vital part. Because if you don't, you will have patchy roots, and we do not want that. That's not cute. So you got to make sure you're going back and proof checking to see that every part of the roots, ends, mids is just covered in bleach. So that's basically what I'm doing, is just making sure that every piece, every part just has bleach fully on it. Okay, guys, so after I showed you guys all of that bleaching and everything, I basically just bleached the hair again. This is basically how it came out. It just came out really blonde. And you know, it's so crazy because the lace, like the hair from the lace, actually started shedding a lot. And I literally had to seal the wefts. I literally used nail polish and Got2b. Clear nail polish and Got2b. Girl, you got to do what you got to do. But yeah, so back here, basically, I'm just doing some test strips. And I got some boiling water over there. But I'm just doing some test strips and stuff. Try to figure out how I want the color to lay, like what I want at my roots, and then what I want at the end. And honestly, I kind of like this is the cherry red. This right here is the cherry red. This is the red. I think I want that at my roots. Then I want it to go into this pink. And then I want the last at the end to be this light pink over here. So I think we're trying to make it go like that. So we're just gonna do it like that and make it go like that. So guys, I only put the wild cherries at the roots of my hair. I did not go too low, and you want to make sure you just don't go too down, because I still am going to cut this hair even more. So I had to really make sure I didn't go too low with the red, because I really wanted the pink to show. But here now I'm taking the Feisty Fuchsia, and I am painting that on right under the wild cherry, making sure I blend it in real good, so that it looks like a seamless transition. So what I also did in order to get the light pink at the ends, I took some white silicone mix conditioner and I mixed it with a little bit of wild cherry so it can make like this, you know, baby pink on my fingers. And I just put that all at the ends of the hair, like right under the fuchsia. And then I took the cotton candy, that's that neon pink, and then I'll put that on top of it to make sure it really sealed in that like light pink color. Then after that, I just made sure I just was blending it so that the fuchsia can mix with the pink, the fuchsia can mix with the red, and everything can just look real, just seamless. And as always, we following up with this aluminum foil. You know, you got to make sure the hair is setting real good and not bleeding all over the place. So I highly recommend using foils whenever doing coloring, bleaching, any type of processing. And just to continue the process, after I put that fuchsia, I'm going to take that white conditioner and add a little dab of wild cherry just to get that baby pink. And I'm applying that generously to the ends, also following up with the cotton candy dye. And because we just need to get that perfect shade. So I'm going to show you guys, that's just me putting the cotton candy on. And that's just how it looks, just real smooth. That's what we want, smooth. Do y'all see that color? Okay, do y'all see that color? Honey, who's banging with me? What? You wouldn't even know what I was doing there. You wouldn't even know. What? And when y'all see this thing get washed out, like, it looks so freaking pretty. Like, the color came out even better than I hoped and could have expected. Like, it was perfect. Like, the transition was real perfect and I was so freaking happy. And I'm curling this hair up, so it's gonna look even better when it's curled and it just has a lot of definition. So this is after I cut the hair to the bob length that I wanted, blew it out and all that good stuff. And then I added some pin curls. I did the pin curls I did the curls more in an upward direction so that the hair can stand up in more like a Marilyn Monroe position. And this is it, the night of my birthday, when I took out the pin curls, and I just kind of played with them with my fingers, spread them. I didn't run my fingers through them, I more so just spread them, tap them. I sprayed a lot of Got2b on it so it can stay in place. And honey, it gave me
runway walk, beauty queen.
It's giving very much, it's Barbie. It's Barbie, bitch. You can join the wave. I got pen and nickel dime. I done coined the phrase. You couldn't beat me there if you had it there. India style courtside with a cavalier. All right, we're not even give it to y'all right now. But this is how I look, guys. This is how my whole birthday look came together. I hope you guys like it. Drop in the comments if I'm styling on them right now. Drop in the comments if I'm styling on them. Okay?
If you made it to this part of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lex Goody and my beauty page, Finesse by Lex. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.